I'm installing an Asurity condensate pump for my central air conditioner. The pump can be mounted to a wall or set on the floor. Cut the end of the drain pipe from the furnace at around a 45-degree angle to prevent it from becoming blocked. Pick an inlet hole for the drain pipe and adjust the pump so it's level. Cap any unused inlet holes. I used a rubber mallet on the gravel under the vapor barrier. Connect the 3/8 inch tubing to the hose barb. Use a 5/8 inch hose clamp or a zip tie to hold the tubing in place. Don't over-tighten a hose clamp, it could damage the hose barb. A zip tie just needs to be snugged tight. Loosely attach zip ties to hold the tubing in place if needed. Don't over-tighten the zip ties on the tubing. Plug in the pump and fill the tank with water to test the float and pump. You should hear the pump turn on and see the fan on top spin.